your post up on the net, adding the ministers in those hashtags. So I have just considered you a dark force and also a threat. Please share your location so we come for your arrest.
And you cry for human rights, asking these NGOs to help you fight my violations. You just cry to the media, communicating with these regional bodies to intervene.
Who do you think you are to even be offended by what we do? Are we not your Huru Mendez? Well, watch out, cause these laws will help to arrest you now. So shut up, better watch the words coming out your mouth.
Have you seen my bills, my patriotic bill, my social security bill, my PVO bill? I don't think you do, so it is jail for you. Have you seen my bills, my patriotic bill, my social security bill, my PVO bill? I don't think you do, so it is jail for you. Yeah, this one is a special dedication to Anna Hopewell, Namatai, and Bastop TV. Christmas box just for you. My people, comrades and friends, welcome to another episode of The Week with me, Comrade Fatso. And it's been a crazy week. As Ed opened a bus terminus, Obert Mpofu is invading farms, and we bring you the Futseke Awards for 2021. But first, you know the saying, what goes around comes around? Well, guess who may be recalled from Parliament? Thokozani recall Khupe herself. I know, right? The opposition, MDC, was in turmoil this week as their deputy leader, Khupe, took them to court to fight against what she says was her imminent recall from Parliament. Why does Dagi want to throw her out? Well, she's allegedly discussed rejoining the MDC alliance. Chamisa's spokesman, Nkululeko Sibanda, seemed to back this up when he said, "The MDC alliance stands ready to welcome all comrades who underestimated Douglas Monzora's complicity and connivance with the regime to frustrate change." So now, Toko will jump ship and join Chamisa to fight against Monzora. Maybe sometime they'll get around to actually fighting ZANU-PF. The saga continues. The ZANU-PF Secretary for Administration and Matabeleland's favorite land baron, Obert Mpofu, has been dragged to court for invading Esidakeni farm. The farm just happens to belong to human rights activist and OSISA director Sipho Malonga. This is just a coincidence. Mpofu, who had previously said that he had never seen a diamond, now says that he's never owned a farm. Apparently, the vast land that he owns in Matabeleland is because, well, he's a conservationist. And it's true, he's conserving his wealth. Mpofu bragged that only ED can remove him from the farm. So I guess he's staying.
As I conclude, I want the whole nation to be rest assured that we have a plan. And our plan is simple. The plan is to act as if we don't have a plan, so that they can't plan against us. That's when we start to plan. Our 2021 year, makarona, takataura tigorere action. And takapedza gore rese tichiplana kuti next year plan ready chero nderei. Then next year achuya we plan again tichiplana. Vamwe takavaona pa Twitter vakati dai vanga vaine mari 120,000 vachitenga mabhasikoro. Isusu we opted for a Zim car, real Zim 1. That was the plan. And 2022, the plan is planning. For 2023, kunyangwe vanhu vakati tina plan azviite sei vakavarairwa kudaro, we then start to plan. I thank you.
Election season has started, and so have the Fadzamtengi promises. ED has been firefighting a revolt by ZANU-PF's favorite polling station, aka Usumba. Locals have been threatening Kumudzinga graft in 2023 if he allowed the Chinese to mine in their district. ED reacted by ordering the Chinese miners to stop displacing the villagers. Well, at least until elections are done. ED also reopened Kudzanai bus terminus in Gweru, and Advocate Mahere sent in her congratulations congratulatory message. 1947, we've built railways. Let's celebrate. 2021, we've built a bus terminus. Let's celebrate. We need new leaders. Oh, Fadzi, you're such a troll. Fadzai Mahere, the troll that went to private school.
But boy,
Hapana boy.
it's a boy, man. You want the question. Question number 1, kana chikoro chivurwa chovurwa nani?
Minister of Education.
Aiwa, chivurwa na Minister of Education, chovurwa na teacher. Closer to home. Kana Shabin ichivurwa, inovurwa nani?
Ndidzo bawa.
Mridwe bawa kana mpesika kana madam vanongo vachita sei vanongo vachitengesa. But kwete izvi zvokuti but mota nganidzo
eti motikari kana ndiwo wazovhura ofisi yedu sha
usanhasi topata chitofunga kuti tinenge chitoblingawo ndoziva mabhazi achisvika makombi ana madha achitonawo ngatazocheka ribhoni
masaka sauti marengi mashow basa rao nderei kana mukuru achifamba uzovhura rengi mashow achifamba uzovhura rengi kadati marengi mashow titi
unoziva kuti chii ndatofunga kuti dai anga anovhura hake kana hospitari
hospital ukupi kweiriko
ipapo mandu panozonetsa kuti hapana mai kana marodhi oright but apa
marodhi api kwaurwa wakambooneka
ungachingodai tingogara tichisapota Manchester United.
Ayo, Arsenal man.
Yako Manchester.
Marengi masho ansapota Arsenal ngauziere.
Alright. Vanongodai tingogara tingona bhora tisingamboita
ine. Komana masuku.
Baba. Yo, baba, yo, mira baba, yo.
And now to the Futseke Awards 2021, where we award the best moments of the year. And what a year it was. Firstly, we have the word of the year. It was a closely fought competition with Kungwava Ngwava, the Zimbabwean national pastime of not doing much but acting like you are, coming in at 3rd place. Bolato coming in strong at 2nd place. But the unrivaled word of the year is Mbinga, the culture of celebrating a millionaire whose source of wealth you have no knowledge of. Saga of the year was a tough one. Pashon Java and George Jamwanda Charamba are both runners-up. But the Secretary for Misinformation, Nick Mangwana, took the Chimuti. I mean, when you do a video like this, you know you are a winner.
Of returning for festive seasons, you are returning for Christmas, aren't you? So clearly you can afford. There's nothing that stops you from waiting until this.
Yes, diaspora. Show me the money. And now, the most memorable event of 2021. We have 2 Tinashes as runners-up, with Tinashe Mugabe being caught out for fake DNA results, and we have, well...
Tinashe, chicha waita, chicha warikuita Tinashe. Bisa zvinhu waita, what are you doing, Tinashe?
But the number 1 event of the year was when Cde scored a major diplomatic victory by going to the COP26 summit in Glasgow and doing this.
We are ready to give us unfair welcoming our President Comrades in Scotland, UK.
COP26, we are ready. Gala celebrations, we are ready. Murambwi, we welcome you. We celebrate your arrival. Thank you. Viva Zanu-PF, viva.
Diplomacy fair. Thanks for joining us on the week. We're going to be taking a short production break for just a few weeks, and we'll be joining you again in January 2022. I've been Comrade Fatso. You have been the people. This has been the week. Merry Xmas and Futseke.